Hi y'all, Rachel here, and I decided that my boring white comforter set needed some updating. So I am so excited to go ahead and open this up and show you the new comforter that I got and everything that comes inside of it. So let's get started. It comes with a comforter, and then there are various sizes. My bed is personally a queen, so this is a queen size comforter. And then it comes with 2 pillowcases. It doesn't come with any fitted sheets, so you'll need to have one of those already. Also, if you zoom in close to this, it has this tufted fabric that is really soft to the touch, and it kind of forms this rainbow shape. It comes in a variety of colors. I got the pink, but every color was so cute. It was super hard to decide which color I wanted. So now let's go ahead and rip off my plain old boring bed sheets and put on these new fun ones. So here's the finished product. I think it looks super cute with my room. I really love the pattern on it. It gives it a nice pop. And it's also like a really nice weight and good quality, so you'll be nice and warm in it. I'm really happy that I changed out my comforter and I got these new sheets. They're perfect.